10:35 a.m. this Sunday morning. Okay, as you've seen in a previous video, I have set out my hummingbird feeder here. And earlier this morning, I heard and then seen my first Baltimore Oriole of the season. And he was just here. One of them was just here. I think he flew off. Okay, he might be he might be in the spirit tree. Oh, right up in here someplace. Anyways, I am going to back off because I'm on the bet. He'll be coming back up. Nope, that's a blue jay there. Okay. Not hearing him anymore either. We'll get him. Stay tuned.